Happy post-4th of July, everybody. It is Sunday, July 5th, 2026, and the camera I had ordered finally came in. So, a little bit of things, of course. So this camera actually, this is kind of funny. This camera is about $140-something, but if depending on the shipping you get, it could be a little bit more. So base price $140 with tax is about $144, give or take. Now, big thing is when you get the box itself, it's wrapped up in this almost saran wrap, like plastic, not the usual like plasticky plastic. It's like this saran wrap that we use for, yeah. But once you get that cut off, you get, of course, the box. This box is friggin'. It is genuinely big, and this is actually something I never thought of, or I never expected to see with this kind of camera and the price tag that you get with it. I don't know what the red dot is on her red dot, but it's Red Dot Winner 2023. So obviously this is an award-winning camera. Yes! I have no freaking clue. It's, of course, Wi-Fi capable. The picture itself feels like it's actually been just... Yeah, it is known as the SJ20 dual lens action camera handheld charging combo. This is what I got. It comes in black. I didn't know it came in other colors. I did not know that, but it is the SJ20. And the reason I got this is because of what it can do. Now, flipping it over, of course, to the back. Let's see what we get on the back. It's, let's see. We get, of course, a dual lens design, 4K 30 FPS high definition, gyroscope stabilization, battery composed, dual screen, live, 5mm waterproof, starry night vision, which is what I got it for. I got it for the night vision, honestly, just because of the fact of whenever I do rarely do some night games, or I want to do some night footage, I want to be able to have something that can actually record at night. Now, let's go down a bit, see what this comes with in the package. For $140, you'll get a handheld charging combo, the camera, a battery, frame mount, waterproof case, frame mount pool, all this other stuff, a cable, a white glove, and blah 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 blah. I don't care. And apparently there is a camera app. Fuck. Okay. So apparently I have to get another action camera app for this thing. But let's go ahead. I'm doing this all one-handed. So let's see here. How about you, bastard? I'm doing this all one-handed and unlimited caffeine, because I am that excited this morning to try and see what this is all about. So, come on, you bastard. Come on. Unleash thy components, you son of a bitch. In the box, we have a... Are you happy? Not happy. I'm this in the morning before my coffee, and then I'm this in the morning when I have my coffee. So yes, I'm definitely keeping this. Let's see here. For the customer service. I don't care. Quick start guide. I'm actually happy. This is a quick start guide. I do like that. That's actually nice. Let's see how it's moving on. Oh, that's a thick motherfucker. Okay, that is a thick booklet. Let's see here. Empower Your Dreams. That is a thick book. What is it? It's the actual manual. Good sweet Jesus, that is a thick frickin' book. That's got some heft to it. Hold on, let me show. Let's do the thick test. Ow! Shit, yeah, that's hurt. That's a thick book. Alright, so let's see here. We have the dual charge port. How do I charge the damn thing? Oh wait, does it have... Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Alright, so that's how we can recharge it itself. Oh, we can actually... what's the battery status? Oh, but damn. Okay. It's got a very nice rubbery grip to it. I do like that. I do like how this is all organized. I might actually keep this for transport. Now. Alright, let's see here. What's this? This is the cable and the... A microphone. It's a mic. I actually have a microphone with this thing. Okay, so I actually got a mic for it. This is a plastic. It's plastic. I was expecting more. Oh well. How the hell? What does this button do exactly? What do these buttons do? What do I just press these two and it... Oh, that's how you open it. Okay. I might actually get metal in the future. I might actually legitimately get metal for it in the future. Okay, so we're going to set that to the side. Alright, so here's the small one. So here's the regular camera. Yeah. Alright, then what the hell is this for? I have no idea what this does. I'm going to have to actually look at the manual itself, but I have no idea what that is. Know what that does. So, yes. Set that to the side. Alright, now, next is, of course, the waterproof case. Get that. It's your basic waterproof case, although that is very thick. I do like that very much. Don't know why that's there. I don't know what that's about right there. It is. Are you taking that to the side? Next, of course, is this, which is the camera itself, which, good God, this thing actually has some heft to it. It has this part to it, the actual battery base, which, I'm guessing that's where that goes to. I do love how it actually has all the nifty little instructions, but we're going to keep that on there until I'm ready to actually fully do. Not gonna lie, this is actually kind of nice. There's a little switch here. I wonder what that does. If that does anything. Does it? Yeah, that comes off, and that turns it into that. Okay. So that's the extra battery, which means that bit right there. That's actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. The question is, how the hell do I recharge this? Is there like a little charging port I can use, or do I just attach it to the camera itself and I can recharge it with the camera? Because I'm gonna have to look at the manual for it, but okay. And this is a lot, actually. I'm gonna have to actually look into this a lot more. Alright, moving that over to the side a little bit. Let's just move that stuff over. Finally, the last bit is the accessories box, which is... yeah, there's nothing there. Okay, so, accessories box. This... let's go ahead and... again, doing all this one-handed, not exactly easy. Go ahead and pull this out. Mic fluff. That's actually kind of neat. You get mic fluff. Camera that one. Yeah, noise reduction sponges. So these are basically what goes over the mic. Go over the mic. Next, of course, is parts. Camera parts for attaching. Let's see here. What else is in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? There's the charge cable, which, again, okay, USB-C. Continuing. Ah! Decided to just empty out the whole damn box. Let's see here. GoPro style base mounts. GoPro base mount again. Well, style of GoPro space mounts. Another base mount. Stickers, because stickers. Yes. Really good, yes. And the lens wipes, which... this is actually not a bad microfiber. This microfiber genuinely does feel very good, I'm not gonna lie. And then, of course... things. What does the back of the box call this things? Oh yes, adhesive stickers. And of course, curved and flat mount. Yeah, let's see here, battery. Supposedly this camera has a battery in its own, so... But yeah, no. The fact that you get all of this for $144, or depending on, you know, if you do the next day shipping, $160-something, that's not a bad price. Genuinely, that's not bad. That's genuinely not bad of a price tag for all of this. And lovely box, lovely stuff, and of course, obviously, I'm going to have to read the manual, because as much as I'd love to read the quick start guide, I'd rather read the frickin' manual for this. But no, as to its question of am I happy or not happy, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I'm genuinely happy with this. And knowing my buddy, knowing my friend from the owner of Blackwater, John, who is Cyber Yeti in the Blackwater Discord, he might be interested in this as well. So, who knows? I will definitely be talking with him, of course, and kind of... yes. Anyway, thank you all so very much for watching. As always, I've been your Softal. I hope you had a wonderful, lovely 4th of July, and I shall see you all in the next video. Peace.